What's up, everyone? Alright, so Comment Striker is back. Yay. Finally got another challenge. Not one I'm happy about, but I do them all. And with everyone else's, I know you guys are like getting mad because I haven't been doing them, but I gotta get up to the store and get them. So I will get those ones, but this challenge was given to me, and I'm sure you can guess what it is. I have to eat these. Now, the person that gave it to me didn't really tell me how much I gotta eat, so I'm just gonna do...
Here, how much you eat 4?
I'll eat 4. Oh, God.
That's 2, 3.
3. 4. Awesome. 4 of them. Okay. Sweet.
Need something to drink before you do this?
You can go get me a water.
Okay. You're up.
Now put in the comments below if you've ever eaten these. I'd like to hear what you guys thought. Or send me a video of you guys doing it. That's something I want to start, doing. Getting you guys involved into it. If you want, you can send me a video, throw it on your page, and I'll look at it. Of course, just put in the comment, you have the video up, and I will go look at it. Or, yeah, comment saying you've done it. Don't lie. Don't lie. But, yeah. Got my water. So, here we go. Is this gonna kill me or something? Crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, and moisture. There is moisture. Fuck. This is my teeth.
What? Just swallow it.
Ooh, fuck that. You want to try it? Send me a video or comment saying you did try it. No wonder.
Did I drink that stuff?
That's gross.
Want to see? Want to show them?
A1 sauce. Maybe it'll make it taste better.
So give me the A1 sauce and point the camera at me.
Fuck!
Give me the A1 sauce. Give me the A1 sauce. Cheers. It's a little tangy, but...
You like the mess I made? It's gross. Alright. We gotta get around. Oh, did you guys see? I got toilet paper hanging off. Alright. So. My whole new thing that I'm doing, the little skits thing, I'm kind of enjoying doing that. When I first made this page, I wasn't expecting to do skits and everything. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't like the vlogs, I don't do just regular vlogs, I do them after my videos. You can skip and turn it off if you want now. Okay, anyways, I didn't start off this page doing skits. I never thought I would. I actually started it off as a joke, fucking around with other people, and then it kind of turned serious because it allowed me to do something with all my free time. It was awesome. And now it's like something I always do. No, I don't put the videos up. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do my vlogs. No. Now I don't put the videos up as much because, whoa, I'm getting off track, aren't I? But I don't put the videos up as much because I don't know why. Not getting as much challenges, I guess. That's how it started. There's something on the thing. And the whole skit thing is just like to add more because you guys ain't giving me as much challenges. I know there's a lot that I haven't done, but I will get them up. I will. Just give me some time. With that pig one, whatever, the pig intestine one, I went to the grocery store and I looked. It wasn't there. So if you know another place I could look, tell me, because I'll go get the intestines. Well, yeah.
Actually.
But yeah, you do all the good stuff. Comment, subscribe, like. All right. Bye.